Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Conversations with Candace. I'm Candace and we're going to be conversing today. So I have some braids that I'm reusing today. They're a little bit fuzzy, but I did lay my edges to the best of my abilities and I'm trying some new locks. And they're not 100% new because I do remember wearing these locks back in 2017. It was really when I first got into getting my hair braided down and trying crochet hair. Now, back then, I was having someone else crochet my hair in. And then when I wanted to start saving money, I started doing my own braidless crochet. So I never did a video about this hair, but I am very fond of it. I'm 85% sure that this is the same brand that I was using before, and I'll show you a picture. I just don't know how many packs I used. I don't remember the length, but I remember this wave pattern. I'll show you a pack, and then I'm going to install the hair. So this is the Model Glance Braid 2x Soft Faux Lock Light Curly. I really feel like this is the hair that I used before. This wave pattern really looks familiar. The ends look familiar. I purchased 6 packs, but they were buy one get one free at my beauty supply store and they're $8.99. You can see the buy one get one free right here. So I purchased 6 packs. I think I'm gonna need 5 to 6 packs. I don't ever remember using more than that. So here's what the hair looks like in the pack. It's kind of shiny, but still coarse. I do remember reusing this hair. This is a hair that you can unloop and save. You can wash if you want to. It will get a little bit fuzzy, but not too fuzzy. I have reused this hair multiple times when I wore it before, which is really clutch because some hair you cannot reuse. There are 24 locks per pack. Also, this is great hair for swimming. When you want to go swimming, you can dry your hair under a hooded dryer, or you can blow dry your hair, and that is awesome. Here's what the loop looks like, and you don't need a big loop for this lock because it is stretchy and it is thin. So I'm gonna put my latch hook right here under my braid and then just take the loop and connect it on. And then I'm gonna close the latch hook, pull it through, and then I'm gonna push the latch hook through the hole, grab the end, close it, and pull it through the hole. At that point, I can take it off and then just tighten the lock. And I do that as many times as I have to fill my head. I will leave a finger width of space between each lock so that they're not too many in my hair, but these are lightweight. So I think I'm gonna use 5 packs. I'll come back when I have them installed. All right. So here's the finished look. I put a little face on to give you a whole setup. I knew I was gonna like these locks, and I absolutely do. They are super lightweight. I use 5 packs. I have 1 full pack left over. I actually have 1 piece from my 5th pack left, so I'm just gonna find a spot for it. But I used 5 packs. I did skip a little bit of space. I love these locks. They are 16 inches. I think there's a 14-inch option as well, but these are 16 inches. When I put them up in a bun, they're not gonna be too heavy. I mean, girls. Look at her, girls. Look at her. Look at her. She's fabulous. My goodness. I purchased these in the beauty supply store, but I'm pretty sure you can get them online. I am gonna wear these for a few weeks, as long as my braids still feel tight, but I can swim in these. I can wear them to work. I can put them up in a bun, put them in 2 little space buns. So I am excited for these locks. Let me know if you have any questions about this hair. Thank you for joining me on this episode of Conversations with Candace. And until next time, y'all have a good day.